Welcome to the netwykDQM training videos. This video will explain function M0-006. It replaces all occurrences of a specified string value with another string value. Let's have a look how that works. First, let me explain the demo data. We've got two columns, ID and demo short text. Let's create the function now. Use the plus button, select the function from the list. We've got three parameters. String to search in, which is demo short text, and string to be replaced. Let's select the 5. And let us replace it with 4x's, just for demonstration purposes only. Let's save it. And let's have a look at the demo data. As you can see here, the 5 is replaced by the 4x's. If the 5 occurs more than once, all occurrences are replaced. That is how the function works. Thanks.